you.
I was sleepy.
Upo ka dyan. Oh, go. Oh, ngayon ka... Oh, ngayon ka gumaldal.
Okay.
Dok, anong pag-uusap? Ay, tama
Yan,
ba?
Ika,
Dito
Ika,
na
dito
ba?
ka.
Ayun na.
Prostatitis.
Bacterial prostatitis. Nagkaroon ng infection, nakaon na pala. Nagkaroon ng infection ng prostate gland. Okay. Yung kasi kadalasan, if we have mga infection, tapos yung mga infection na hindi na-treat na maayos, no? And your infection will go up through a ascending path. Pag sinasabi nating ascending path, yung aakyat siya. Lahat ng infection, lalo na sa male reproductive, even sa female, no, they go on a ascending path, hindi descending.
Pataas lagi.
Pataas lagi, no? So, importante maano natin yun, malaman natin yung pathway, no? So, when it goes in a ascending path, ano ang tatamaan na organ, lalo na sa kalalakihan, is yung unang matatamaan, yung prostate. Okay? Remember, your prostate is highly capsulated. Pag sinabing highly capsulated, matigas ang thick covering. Okay. No? Kasi protektado siya eh. Bakit protektado ang prostate ng mga kalalakihan? Kasi doon nagpo-form ng mga likido para sa similya. Okay? So, when infection goes into the prostate, malamang makikita mo na talagang matindi. No? Yan sinasabi natin, no?
Tapos nagkakaroon
Sa infection.
prostatitis, ibig sabihin may pagmamaga.
Inflammation,
diba?
may infection. So, infection, tinan mo, pag infection untreated, aakyat dito sa tract mo, urethra. Then, papasok siya sa prostate. Itong prostate natin, capsulated yan. It is double layered, thick. Very thick. Ganun siya kakapal. Can you imagine, pag pumasok na ang infection, mahirap lumabas.
Yes.
Kasi capsulated siya, di ba? So, ang mangyayari, infection will set in and grow. Ngayon, mahirap sa mga pasyenteng kalalakihan natin because pag dumadami ang bacteria o namamaga siya, ang prostate namamaga. It expands and it bulges and it becomes tender. No? So, lumalaki siya. Lumalaki siyang mainit at inflamed.
How does that manifest physically sa katawan ng lalaki?
You have pelvic pains.
May
You have
paghirap na
dysuria,
Sabi mo,
hapde.
pelvic pains, how do you differentiate pelvic pains from isipin nila just a regular
It's
cramp?
like when you sit down, mainit, yung feeling mo na mainit, parang hindi mo alam burning sensation. You know, you feel irritated, parang you wanna sit or you don't wanna sit, parang gano'n ang feeling, no? So yung ano natin, we have several bacteria that we have, no? You have your gram-negative and gram-positive. You have yung bacteria na positive, ibig sabihin galing sa labas. Yung mga staphylococcus, streptococcus. You get it from what? Yung unclean restroom, toilet, no? Yung mga underwears that you borrow and you wear. Pants.
Hindi naglalaban ng underwear.
Minsan kasi guys, parang, pahiram naman ng pants mo, wala akong yun. Hindi pala linaba, sinuot.
Oh, gosh.
Yun. So you can go up the no? Then, yung mga gram-negatives naman natin, yung normal, we have normal fluoride, it can go up here. So, yan. Then, the rest kasi can go up the bladder system. Now, ang problema kasi ng prostatitis, pag nagkaroon ka ng prostatitis, it takes a while. From acute form, like 1-2 weeks, pwede siya maging chronic. Pag sinabi natin chronic, matagal kasi ang treatment. It can take 3 or even 6 months.
Wow.
Taking antibiotics. Can you imagine, Angel?
Kasi di ba may
antibiotics
kasi may mga antibiotic, Doc, if I'm not mistaken, di ba, na minsan hindi compatible sa'yo, kaya magpapalit ka and then it will take another days na naman and months to proceed.
Ito kasi pag nagkaroon ka ng chronicity ng prostatitis mo, mas mahirap kasi ang treatment ngayon dito sa prostate mo, mas tindi kasi ang bacteria could mix with other forms of bacteria in itself. No, kasi nasa loob lang siya eh. At saka ang problema nito, for patients, you have to go to your specialist to do prostatic massage.
Wow.
Yung prostatic massage para ilabas yung secretions na mayroong bakterya para maginhawaan ng pakiramdam mo. Yun ang sinasabi ng naririnig niyo, prostatic massage. That is a medical therapeutic way of squeezing out the bacteria
And
to
how
release
often
the
do you
pain.
do that? How often
Once
do you
a
do
week.
that? Once a week. Kasabay ng antibiotic.
Doktor.
Kasabay ng antibiotic.
Home remedies na you could teach. No. The spouse, the wife.
No, kasi you can do, but siyempre you have to undergo a training for a specialist to do that, no? If
Kasi
you-
parang
you know,
pag reflexology
How long is the
dyan, may mga
training?
points eh.
How long is the training?
It has to take a while if you want to do it like for a
Gusto mo
non-medical personnel. No, kasi pag non-medical personnel kasi you might
But it can be done.
but yeah, if
Papadala yung
in the
asawa,
training that is
mag-aral.
kung if you feel that you're more comfortable that your partner or spouse
But I'm
doing it.
going to
kasi
ask, if
usually kasi they don't do
Doc,
it.
if I'm going to ask, no, para din sa kaalaman ng ating televiewers, no, kung yung asawa nila merong prostatitis, bacterial prostatitis, pwede ba silang mag-intercourse?
We restrict that. Yun.
So,
We
baliwala
restrict
din
that
yung-
kasi may infection. So, ang lalabas kasi, yung infection ng male spouse, pwedeng mahawa yung female.
Anong kinalaman nun sa question ko ng massage?
Hindi, wala lang. Naisip
Wala ang layo.
Informative yun. Ano ka ba?
Oo, diba? Oo. Kasi pwede ping-pong, yung sinasabi natin ping-pong infection.
Magpapasahan
Your infection
lang.
will go to you.
Magpapasahan.
So if you're not treated, you can infect your partner. If your partner will be getting the infection, pwede ka ring during the course of the contact. So
6
kailangan
months wala.
What are the complications kapag hindi mo siya, kunyari hindi ka nakapag-take ng antibiotics or hindi ka nakapag-massage?
One is structurally yung prostate mo, you will destroy the cells in the prostate gland. When you destroy the cells in the prostate gland, nakaka-influence ito sa fluid ng similya. Yung likido ng similya, importante yan, reproductive.
So, pwede nang mabaog, ganun.
Mababaog ka kasi kokonti yung liquid mo. So, pwede yun.
Pwede.
Kasi we're not saying mababaog ka literally. Kasi maring marami pa rin yung sperm cells mo. Pero yung dami ng likido na lumalabas, magiging insufficient, you can go into a fertility problem.
Infertility problem.
So, yun. Maraming yun. Saka ang matindi nun ito, matagal ang treatment. Usually kasi, kala mo tapos na, babalik ka. You have to do some tests, you have to do some smear tests, no? The specialist will
Para
do
to make
smear para
sure,
makita na wala yung bacteria. Kasi siya umuulit-ulit siya no?
Doc, when you mention infertility problem, so this will affect your normal sperm count, basically. But yung effectivity ng the strength of the sperm to impregnate someone is not valid.
necessarily.
Yes.
Oo. Saka ang problema niyan kasi once it tends to penetrate the other reproductive structure that are very vital to impregnating individual, mas mamahirapan tayo kasi pwede nang pumasok sa tubo, paakyat ng vas deferens, kung saan nai-stored yung mga sperm cells before they are released. Kasi meron tayong storage, yung sinasabi natin vas deferens, ini-store doon yung mga sperm cells natin na mature before they are released. Pwede ngayon umakyat itong mga bacteria doon because marami na sila sa prostate. So they will find a way, masikip na ang mundo nila, aakyat na sila. So when it goes there, it will destroy the rest of the stored sperm cells.
Doc, may question.
Sige.
Doc, may question ako. Doon sa mga merong ganito, no, bacterial prostatitis, meron bang mga bawal sa kanila, say sa diet? Or I'm assuming kasi parang namamaga, sa underwear ba kailangan mas maluwag ng konti? Ano usually?
Basically,
Ina-advise.
hygiene. No? If you have that hygiene, and you have to be checked constantly para mawala yung bacteria. Kasi gusto natin maging bacteria ka, no? A bacteria, ibig sabihin walang bacteria. Kasi remember, once a patient mayroong prostatitis, kailangan clear. Kasi babalik. Yun ang problema, no? yun ang di alam ng ating mga kababayan. Tapos na infection, doctor, okay na. Hindi.
Bumabalik.
Bumabalik siya, magiging chronic prostatitis.
Oh my gulay.
Doc, sa history dito sa ating bansa, prevalent ba itong klaseng sakit sa
We
mga
have this
Pilipino?
kong especially for patients who are very sexually active. With
Napapasa kasi.
multiple partners.
With multiple partners. Ngayon you mentioned na pwedeng mahawa yung partner.
Yes.
No? Ngayon, for example, walang prostatitis sickness yung lalaki, pero yung girl has a infection. Can that result into a
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Doc, you also mentioned kanina yung sa massage kasi may nagpapatanong sa akin.
Nagpapatanong na sino?
Pwede daw bang
Sa
i-massage
pangalan
yung
ni Lito?
prostate? Hindi. Pwede bang i-massage yung prostate pagka kahit daw for vigor lang, parang maging healthy daw yung...
Para maging healthy yung
Yes,
walang
consistent,
prostatitis,
ganun.
so walang medical condition.
Wala.
It tends to be, you find it very unusual on a sense. Kasi pag prostate kasi, when you massage it without any problem, medyo, siguro pag sasabihin ng prostate, parang weird, pero kasi medyo masakit. On the sense, no? You don't do it on the regular. Nai-irritate rin siya, no?
So what ang sabi kasi na it's a cure for for PE.
Pwede yun.
Pwede
That
yun.
can be a test. Kasi once you massage your prostate, may lalabas na secretion. Remember, your prostate gland, the function is what? Yung fluid, additional fluid for semen. So once you massage it, then may lalabas siya na liquid.
Okay. Tama si Diego. Kailangan marunong mag-massage.
Pero let's wrap it up, Doc. Ulit, ano yung mga pwede mo ma-advise sa ating mga kasambay para maiwasan nila, especially yung mga lalaki, sa kanila lang naman ito nangyayari, no? Yung bacterial prostatitis.
Okay, una-una
para
kasi pag
maiwasan.
may infection kasi, you have to cut clear na matreat yung infection mo. From the basic infection natin, kailangan complete dose ka ng antibacterial, no? Then you have, for me kasi my patients will go for a clearance ng culture. May iba kasi doctor, hindi na after matreat, tapos na urinalysis ulit. Ako kasi kino-culture ko ulit. To be sure na klaro at clear siya. Then I will set the patient
Free.
off, no? Free. Then, importante kasi klaro yan. Tapos second, kung meron man complication, meron ka ng prostatitis in itself, kailangan patreat ka, go constantly to your specialist to have it evaluate, smear test. Yung smear yung secretion, tapos para ma-check ka maigi, no? Kasi it will take a series of duration with antibiotics given. And these antibiotics are yung mga simple ampicillin or amoxicillin. Yung mga second generation cephalosporin, which are a bit expensive. No?
Meron akong pahabol na question, very, very quick lang. Kasi na-curious lang ako dahil nga, sabi mo, bacteria to, na pwede rin manggaling doon sa mga unhygienic na, sa underwear, ganyan. Yung mga bata ba, maapektuhan din na ganito? Like, halimbawa, yung mga, di ba, street children, di naman naliligo or wala silang chance to change their underwear every day.
Pwede naman.
Pwede din.
naman, oo. Pero ang usually kasi pag bata ang is relatively
Infection
mga infection.
Infection, not necessarily bacterial
Hindi pa.
prostatitis.
Usually kasi infection lang sa ganun.
Okay, thank you very much, Doc Joseph Lee.